Installation of Biogents AERO trap. The catch cage is located in the center of the trap. Step 1. Open the aluminium packaging of the attractant Biogents SWEETSCENT. Remove the attractant holder from the top of the trap. Use the holder to remove the white sachet from its packaging. Place the holder with the sachet in its place at the top of the trap. Step 2. Connect the power supply unit to the other end of the power cable. Now connect the power cable to the trap. Step 3. Plug the power supply unit into a safe, waterproof electrical socket. The flap opens when the trap is on. To receive automatic notifications when the attractant needs to be replaced, first install the My Biogents app. Then, add your device and set a reminder. The app guides you through the simple steps. Install up to 3 traps with just one electrical socket. You need several traps to protect a larger area of your garden and have only one electrical socket. Use the provided Y-shaped cable. The power cable is too short? We offer a 10-meter extension cable for safe use. Biogents, pioneers in sustainable mosquito control.